but we are gonna see what we can do. Got these from the store. You know how I like to do it. Bro, tell me we have, oh, here it is. I was about to say. There's no way we don't got WD-40. Alright, so I got a dirty towel, WD-40, and a clean towel. See if we can loosen this up. Bro, I'm praying that this is just surface level. Because if this doesn't work, I have to buy touch-up paint. Okay. The clean towel. This is ghetto as heck, but sometimes it works. I got soapy water, we'll see if that helps. It's water and dish soap. Dang, dude, that's the metal layer. Yeah, the WD-40, it's good for getting rid of this paint transfer, I will say. Honestly, on the side marker, it's just paint transfer. But yeah, that's getting changed anyway. Yeah, this video, it wasn't supposed to be a POV video, but I have to get more oil. I need 3 more quarts. So yeah, that's what I'm on the way to do right now. Ooh, it is bright. This will actually be the first time that I'm changing oil on this car. Because if you haven't watched the previous videos, when you get this car brand new, it comes with 2 free oil changes. So, break in at 1,000 miles, then I got to change it again at 5,000. And then I'm going to change it at 8,000. Just because I want to get back on the odd number rotation. Or the even number rotation, my bad. It's easier for me to remember. I saw a meme where it was like, people who say they work construction, and it was a dude just holding up the sign saying slow. I'm like, man, you don't I do them like that. I haven't been seeing a lot of twins out on the road, but I saw one today. It was there's a red GR86 in the area, and he's got these triple chrome 57 CR wheels. And I'm just like, man, dude, he's kind of like, in terms of like a build inspiration, that's kind of what I want to do. So yeah, it just, oh my gosh, dude, it just looks so clean, and it's gonna look even better on my car. If you're watching this video, no offense, but also if you happen to watch this video, your car is sick, man. But yeah, wheel and tire, that's definitely the plan down the road. But I mean, as of now, I just have no, okay, well, obviously I don't have the cash to modify. I mean, I could, but I mean, that wouldn't be smart. I got things I'm trying to do. But there's really no need. Like, everything is brand new in this car. Like, if I were to modify it, I would just be kind of rushing the process, and then, okay, dang. I feel like I'd be rushing the process. I need to just put more miles on its stock, but I'm loving stock ride height because I've been coming across some more bumpy roads as of lately. I've been coming across some more bumpy roads, so if I was slammed, obviously I wouldn't be able to get anywhere. I'd have more scratches on my front bumper and on wherever. Won't be long before this thing needs an oil change again. Let's see. Oh gosh, dude. It's a recipe for disaster. What the f drain plug is whooping my ass. Because the dealer wants to freaking air tighten it until it's about to internally combust. Gosh, man. Look at all that oil. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Alright, this is the fun part. Got this small little Walmart funnel. This is the only one they had, and I was like, whatever. I got a pretty steady hand. Oh gosh, this thing sucks. Oh no. Alright, should be good. Ooh, that good stuff. Ooh. Let's do this. Wow, I already screwed up. I was not expecting it to come out that fast. OW20, by the way. A lot of people run 5W or 5W2. A lot of people run 5W2, but honestly, as this car is a daily driver, it's not seeing the track anytime soon, and it's a little bit cold outside, so decided to just keep everything with the OW2. Dang, it's still not even to the top. Dude, I cannot get an accurate reading. We'll see when I start the engine, but yeah, I spilled a decent amount. Fuck. Yeah, it's gotta get wiped down. I mean, as long as it's not touching the engine, that's all I'm concerned about. Which it does not look like it is. I should be good. Probably overfilled it a little bit. What's this looking like? All right. Moment of truth. Alright, so after lowering the car back on a level surface, these are the readings we're getting. It's pretty much full. It's at the second dot. I think I just need to drive around, and once the oil kind of circulates, then it should be above the line. But if not, I could always top it off a little bit. But yeah, oil change complete.